Alright, so it was D-A in... I'm not the way we'll finish it, but I don't know how to spell it. There we go. Oh! Tag. Business tag.
Should I get another one?
Yeah, we got the generic one. It'll be all good. We'll just do
Maybe I can come back whenever you see it down this for it.
Huh?
Come back in a few times when I see outfits for it.
Hopefully, but if not, you don't get ice cream, you can still get different outfits. You always have something, I'm sure. Oh. I can spell this. Always want to make sure I don't mess it up.
Because we communicated.
Yay!
I'm so happy.
You should, after all this time, you guys talked about that. Huh? You said it was today or 2 days ago?
2 days ago. We turned 30.
Good. Good? Alright, let's go ahead and do number 2. Guitar? What time?
That's why I left with money to come to Build-A-Bear. I took out enough money to go to Build-A-Bear and buy it. So,
Alright. Good. Alright. Go ahead and pick your hearts out. Now, when you make their birth certificates on these ones, there's instructions on how to use their birth certificate to get a coupon for buy one, get one free Blizzard. Alright, go ahead and warm up the hands. And then you take it where you're going to put your brain. Get on the hands, spread, take it where your ears. Go to listening ears on your front of both. On your back, sit on your back. Spin around one time. Touch your toes, they're totally awesome. And then on your heart, close your eyes, make a super special birthday wish. Oh, you're done, give the hearts a kiss. Alright, well, so you got names yet for him? I gotta go through that process.
it's probably going to be after, like ice cream.
Okay. Not after, as I say, not after fingers this time?
It'll probably fit better with candy.
Well, either or. Depends on if you know anybody who likes candies or strawberries.
Probably. I would have a big bear.
Right, dirty after Alright, there's that one. So all you're going to have to do with that tag is when you pull it up on the computer, it's going to give you a list. Just find the candy bear in there.
This one candy.
Yeah, you can leave it that way. But when you pull it up in there, it's going to look like it's in alphabetical order, but it's not.
So like around the
So just slide through until you find that one, okay? It goes alphabetical for a few animals and it stops.
So it's different. So it's like
It just pulls, it's a generic tag.
I'm gonna keep the tag too.
Yeah. Just the other, this one's a generic. So as I say, when you do the computer, you know, this one goes straight to the screen.
I didn't get what you
Yeah, so that one goes and has you look for the animal. So just find that animal and then go for it, alright?
They're so cute.
They're very nice. You picked out some good ones.
I want to afford, but I can't afford them.
Gotta get what you can get. You have a lot
Actually,
of
last year I got two. Last year I got two. I got the mint one and I got
the bubble gum. Ah, okay. It's a little different
It's
than
kind of like
last
this
one.
one, but different colors.
That other one was what?
It's like pink and blue.
Dark pink and yellow. Go get them clean.
Bye. Bye.